In this video, I'll show you how you can add the developer tab up here. Now first, what you want to do, if you cannot see the developer tab, you want to right click on any of these, just right click on help, and it will be something that says customize the ribbon. Now once you click on this, a lot of things will pop up, and on the right hand side you'll be able to see your main tabs, which is these. From there you want to find developer and make sure that it's ticked off, just like this. Once that's done, what you want to do is press OK, and the developer will appear up here. Now you can press on developer and you can see everything that's in here. In developer you can add add-ins if you want. Go to the store here. You can add some add-ins like Wikipedia, all of these. I added a QR code creator in my right here. But basically that's how you can add the developer. It's super simple, guys, and it's super easy. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.